What makes a government just? Why do some governments create peace while others descend into corruption, chaos, and revolution? More than 2300 years ago, Aristotle searched for these answers. He studied constitutions, compared governments, and concluded something remarkable. No government remains perfect forever. Every constitution can either serve the people or serve itself. Today, we explore Aristotle's most influential political ideas, justice, governments, and the search for the ideal state. What is justice? For Aristotle, justice was not merely obeying laws. Justice was the highest moral virtue. It meant giving every person what they truly deserve. He believed a society cannot survive unless justice exists. Without justice, laws became meaningless, governments became corrupt, and citizens lose trust. Unlike Plato, who focused mainly on harmony, Aristotle explained justice in practical everyday. Justice, according to Aristotle, is fairness in action. Aristotle divided justice into two major categories. First, distributive justice. This deals with distributing honors, wealth, offices, and rewards. Equality does not always mean everyone receives the same. Instead, people receive according to their merit, ability, or contribution. Second, corrective justice. Life isn't always fair. People commit crimes, contracts are broken, property is stolen. Corrective justice restores balance. The law corrects the wrong and ensures fairness once again. One distributes fairly, the other repairs injustice. Together, they maintain social harmony. Aristotle also spoke about reciprocity. Every exchange in society should be fair, whether buying goods, paying workers, or exchanging services. Balance creates trust. But Aristotle also knew laws cannot predict every situation. That is why he introduced another idea, equity. Sometimes strict application of the law can produce unfair results. Equity allows judges to apply wisdom while preserving justice. Even today, many legal systems still recognize this principle. Aristotle believed governments should be judged by two questions: who rules and for whose benefit do they rule? If rulers govern for the good common, the government is good. If rulers govern only for themselves, the government becomes corrupt. This simple idea became one of the greatest classifications in political science. Aristotle identified 6 forms of government. 3 were good, 3 were corrupt. Rule by one: good, monarchy; corrupt, tyranny. Rule by few: good, aristocracy; corrupt, oligarchy. Rule by many: good, polity; corrupt, democracy. Now, this often surprises modern audiences. Why did Aristotle criticize democracy? Because he was referring to the direct democracy of ancient Greece, where poor majorities could sometimes govern for their own interest rather than the common good. This is very different from today's constitutional representative democracies. Although Aristotle respected monarchy and aristocracy, he believed they rarely remained pure. Instead, he recommended polity, a mixed constitution combining the strengths of democracy and oligarchy while avoiding their weaknesses. Why? Because extreme wealth and extreme poverty both create instability. A strong, educated middle class creates stable government. Centuries later, many constitutional democracies would reflect this very idea. Aristotle carefully studied revolutions. He discovered governments rarely collapse overnight. They fall because injustice grows slowly. People revolt when they experience inequality, corruption, abuse of power, humiliation, broken laws, or unequal distribution of honors. When citizens lose faith, revolution begins. Aristotle believed revolutions can be prevented. His solutions were surprisingly practical: strong rule of law, equal justice, moderation, quality of education, responsible leadership, and above all, a powerful middle class. When governments serve the common good, people protect the state instead of destroying it. More than 2000 years have passed, yet Aristotle's questions remains timeless. What is justice? Who should govern? What makes a good citizen? Why do governments fail? His answers laid the foundation of political science, constitutional government, comparative politics, citizenships, and ethics. Whether you agree with him or challenge him, one thing is certain: no study of political thought is complete without Aristotle, because long before modern democracy, long before constitutions, and long before political science became a discipline, there stood one philosopher asking questions that still shape our world today: Aristotle.